guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of Page Property by the MCI Home. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now guys, we're here at the Sonora Garden Residences in Las Piñas City. So ngayon guys, makikita nyo yung isang project ni DMCI dito na si Sonora Garden. And we have the amenity area here. So we have the 3 pools. So trademark na halos ni DMCI yan. Yung we have the leisure pool, kiddie pool, and lap pool. So makikita na rin natin doon yung basketball court na meron tayo and the gazebos. And also guys, nandiyan yung picnic area natin. So may grilling station na rin dyan. And makikita natin doon guys, nandun yung entrance area or yung drop-off area ni Sonora Garden Residences. And nandito guys ako sa kinakatayuan ko ngayon. This is the lobby lounge area. So this will be the receiving area. So dito tayo magpaparegister sa security natin. If we have guests. Yan, may mga delivery tayo ng Shopee. Yan, dyan natin ipapa-receive. And makikita naman natin dito yung mga resort-inspired amenities or yung mga furnitures natin na meron tayo. And take note guys makikita natin doon yung Robinsons Las Piñas. So napakalapit ng mall dito. So kung gusto niyo mag-mall, may kailangan kayong bilhin, mga supermarket na needs natin, yan, napakalapit lang yan. And guys, eto, pupunta tayo sa roof deck area ni Sonora Garden para at least mas ma-appreciate niyo yung view na meron tayo dito. So guys, we're here at the roof deck of the Sonora Garden Residences. So makikita natin dito yung 360-degree view of Las Piñas City. So guys, ito makikita naman natin dito, nandito yung lobby area or yung lounge area niya, what I mean. So may mga tables and chairs tayo dito. We could also use this as our space for relaxation. And also we have the kitchen bar area. So pwede rin tayo mag-held ng events dito. So nandyan yung magiging kitchen area for the catering services. And guys, as we can see here, so ito yung pa-north area natin. So nandun yung papuntang Makati and BGC. And on this side, this is the Manila Bay area. So makikita natin dyan yung papuntang MOA, papuntang Asiana, and yung mga papuntang Cavite, nandito naman sa left side na to. So ayan yung itsura niya. And here guys, so this is the south area. So ito yung papuntang Laguna, papuntang Batangas. Ayan, ito yung lugar na makikita natin. And ito kasi guys, yung si Sonora Garden Residences, nag-iisang halos building lang siya na ganitong kataas na makikita nyo dito. So ito yung magiging landmark dito sa Las Piñas. And here guys, yan, makikita naman natin dito yung Laguna area. So nandun yung Mount Makiling. Makikita natin dun yung Mount Makiling and also the Laguna Bay na nandun sa side na yon. And nandun din yung Philinvest or yung CBD area ni Alabang. And ito nga guys, kasi since it's still under construction, hindi pa natin makikita yung gym niya. So yung convenience store niya, wala pa rin. And also the laundry and water station area. So guys, if you have questions about this property, if you have questions about this project, the Sonora Garden Residences in Las Piñas City, please do so, contact me at these contact details. So it's Mike Page Property by the MCI Homes. And please do subscribe on my YouTube channel para at least keep to update kayo sa aking mga ina-upload na videos. And guys, if you are in outside the Philippines, so pwede tayo mag-set ng Zoom meeting. So papakita ko rin sa description yung aking contact details. So maraming salamat sa pagsama sa pag-tour dito sa Sonora Garden Residences. And I hope you like this tour. If you have any questions about this project, just feel free to ask me, message me. So nandito ang aking contact details. It's Mike Page Property by the MCI Homes. So maraming salamat guys and have a great day ahead and God bless.